deck by itself is just a platform. It's what you add to it that turn it into a place that your family actually lives. In this video, I'm breaking out the add-ons that take a deck from basic to a true outdoor oasis. One of the most common things I hear is this: I love my deck, but it feels like something is missing. First, overhead curvage. Pergola or full roof. Pergola keep it open, you still feel outside, you get the shade. Louver system let you control sun and rain. A full roof is total protection, but you lose natural light. The best build combines both, cover zone and open zone. That's when a deck becomes a destination. Next, outdoor kitchens. Not a grill sitting on your deck, a real integrated cooking space. And here's the rules. Airflow matters. Do not trap heat and smoke under a cover structure. Plan where it goes before you build. Run gas, run electrical. Do it during construction, not after, because fixing it later costs more. Next, lighting. This is one of the highest impact upgrades. Post cap light, stair light, under rail lighting. It completely changes how the space feels at night. And here's the key: plan it during the build, because adding it later means more cost and more disruption. Next, privacy and enclosure. This changes how you use the space entirely. Privacy walls, screen sections. It makes the space feel like a room, but it's permanent. Once you enclose it, you lose that open feel. So think carefully before you commit. Last, fire features. This is where people gather. Built-in fire pits feel completely different than portable ones. Plan it before you pour concrete, because adding gas later means cutting into your patios, and that never looked clean. If you can only do one thing, walk outside today and ask yourself one question: what is stopping me from using this space more? Is it sun? Is it rain? Darkness? Privacy? That answer tells you what to build first. You don't need to do everything at once. You just need to start in the right place. If this helped you, subscribe. We share real insight on outdoor builds every week. And drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're adding on to your space? I'll see you in the next one.